Today we are going to attempt to get out into the planetarium in Animal Company. Yeah. Uh-oh. Said all of them. No way, I actually kept my stuff. That's crazy.
Okay, yo, add me. Here, can you accept it? Can you accept it?
Okay, so
give me a rock.
I'm red too.
Just a second ago, I had been in a private lobby with this one kid.
Great.
And
Wait, can we go into
he kind of lost all of his stuff. And I can't hold anything on the side of me, unfortunately. I've not unlocked it yet. Okay, so yeah, that's great. Okay, now I want to grab this. So if it doesn't work and I start to fall, then I'm just gonna close out my game.
What are you talking about?
You don't need to know. I'm trying to get to the planetarium in a glitched way, okay? That's all you need to know.
What are you talking about?
I'm just trying to get to the planetarium in a glitched way, bro. There's our target. That. Right there. Now, I'm not going to open my umbrella and
What are you talking about?
I'm going to...
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Tell
Where
me what
are
you're
you?
talking about.
Where are you?
I have an item that can sell for 300k, but no one wants to listen to me.
Okay, now it's dark, but that's okay. So now we just need to go like this, and then oh crap, I don't think I'm making it. I might make it. I might actually make it. I think I'm making it.
Pink, come with me. Pink, come with me. I need to tell you something.
I think I'm making it. I'm in. Oh my gosh. Okay, get my pickaxe. Here, wait. Let's pick this thing up. Drop this. Put this in here. I don't know how I'm gonna get back though. I got a research point! I don't know. Yo, what's up, dude? Look down there. There's a crate down there that fell that I opened. Okay. Yeah, you got it.
Got it, my homie. I got it.
Thanks. Here. Get on the top of the planet. Open it. Ah, pogo stick.
Wow, a